starters, Chapter 5 White Noise. Hello and welcome back to this game.
Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out.
These glasses are dirty. I gotta take
Shoot,
these
I left
off.
my bag. I brought you this.
That was... Fuck. I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
How are you feeling?
You were attacked, dude. I'm okay.
I'm okay. I'll be okay. Thanks to you.
No,
Okay.
no, I just helped a little. It was all Caitlin and Ryan.
You're here with me. That helps.
I missed so many QTEs.
All right, they're off to find a radio or something.
What's with the
We found another in Mr. H's office, so just in case.
Just think of it as like a super soaker.
what happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
It's a little cross-eyed.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS
right.
or something. We're holding down the fort.
Okay, speak up.
Did anybody else hear that?
Shh.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
Wait, stay here.
It
I'll check it
did.
out.
We'll be fine. Just be careful.
Stay alert.
You got the gun, right? The gun that's like almost as big as you. We got this. Just like a camera point and shoot. Who the hell is that? It's like the guy we saw in the thing. Oh shit! Back at Quarry Lodge. This is not gonna end well, people. She's gonna die probably. It's gonna be all my fault. Just like the kid in the bushes. No, hold it. Scan clear. It's not doing you any good on your shoulder, woman. What the hell are you looking at? Now I'm nervous. Come on. Oh shit. Go. Really? Ooh. Good thing I was paying attention, wasn't drinking or something. Boy, she's got balls bigger than me. Can't get caught, girl.
No sign of them.
When you find them, let them. And keep me posted, Bobby.
Oh boy. Oh, come on. Go away, dude. Go away. I don't know if they're here to help us or not, though. That's the thing. He's right there, girl. See? I think I did it right, though. Oh, shit. And he got my gun. Oh, did I shoot him? Where's the gun? Girl? Is it because... Oh. I dropped the gun.
Hey, so this may not be like the best time per se, but like...
What?
Yeah, so like I was just, you know, thinking about like the start of summer and when we first met and the start of camp and well, like now that summer's over and, you know, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other, you know?
Sorry, Nick. What are you saying?
Hey, don't worry about Caitlin, she's tough.
I know. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm just distracted. Let's just get through the night, okay?
Okay.
Maybe I was misreading the situation back there, but kind of felt like a little bit more was gonna happen.
Well, did you want a little bit more to happen?
He
Dude,
did.
Are you dumb?
Hey,
Sorry.
That bite.
I just mean, of course I wanted it to happen. I just didn't know if you did too.
He's changing.
that seems like such a long time ago now.
He got bitten by a
Didn't want
bipolar
it to happen though.
monster.
You can tell me.
Yeah, I guess.
You're just saying that because I'm hurt.
Nick,
Bipolar.
what is going on out there, Caitlin? We've died. We've died.
It's okay. I got this.
You got this? All right. Like he didn't see her going there. Seriously?
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the
Don't
gun?
have time for this.
We gotta get out.
No, we
Yeah.
have to hide.
We're running. He's seen us come in.
Got you, girlie.
What?
Oh, you're mine.
She's mine!
Okay. Get out of there now. Yeah, he's changing. This reminds me of the character from VHS, if you ever seen that movie, you guys. Where he had powers you didn't realize. Interesting.
So the Radio Hut has like an actual radio? I thought it was just like for your morning announcements.
Oh yeah, it used to be more of a actual radio station actually. You know, I mean it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird actually that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and you know, nowadays everything we need is on the phone, but Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day of camp so that we're not
See,
distracted.
we don't know what happened to Laura back in the beginning, from the
No,
beginning.
the
It could be
kid
her
was
being
and
infected.
take it. So is that something like that you want to go
Why did he
into?
turn around?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music or something.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I like music, but I think I want to major in, quantum physics.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You don't really seem like a science
quantum
guy.
physics dude.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, I mean, you know, not here.
I don't know why I have to walk behind you because there's that thing is behind us. I don't want to be back here. Let's move faster.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you mean by not here?
Not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here I
You're a wise cracking smartass.
that's a little harsh, but
No?
okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blase, Dylan?
Not yet, like, you know, whatever, man. It's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Dylan.
I just wondered.
I'm Ryan.
Ryan is.
Well, actually, let's get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Yeah, thank you, Ryan.
Yeah, I like him. That makes a lot of sense.
I know Dylan likes Ryan. I wonder if Ryan is into it, and if he said he's a free agent, so not real curious about that, but just kind of curious if that's like I just couldn't bring them together. Just can't. Nothing against it. It just feels weird. Okay, yeah. I was just following him. I was like, wait, I was getting my bearings here. There is the radio station. Cool beans. Just waiting for something to happen, though. I haven't found any cards either. What's this?
Huh.
I almost hit the other prompt. Claw marks, huh? Large, jagged claw marks on the wall of the radio hut. Hut? Evidence. I'll be saying it's a bear. Ooh. The Hermit. Strange, this card holds no future. There's a past that calls out to me. I don't get it. I'm gonna stay out here. Let's go.
All good?
Yeah, let's. Vámonos inside. All good.
All good?
Unless there's another card I missed, but I got one. I'm happy with that.
Oh, this place is kind of a dump, huh?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time, actually, to get this place cleaned up and
How did I know he'd take
illuminated.
offense?
So, I'm sorry if it's not up to your standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC.
Okay. Okay.
Let me get this set up. All right.
Anything over here we can use?
The power tools? No.
No.
That's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
Gotcha.
Got it.
So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, you know,
What, 4
portable
miles?
radios and
5
whatever.
miles?
So, I think the range is about a mile.
A mile? Don't think it'll help.
that doesn't seem like it's gonna help us much.
No.
Don't underestimate the power of technology.
Is technology the right word?
No, yeah, you're right. This is more like magic, man.
Oh, so you would be the magician?
In a manner of speaking, sure.
Only a mile. God.
Anyways, this thing's gonna need a bit of a power up, but that's where this comes in.
Dust magnet.
It's supposed to be a signal booster. It's kind of janky looking, but
Yeah, it is.
worth giving a shot.
Think about that for 1995, where you get like 1,001 channels
Talk to people with this thing?
without paying for cable.
Yeah, well, it's not a two-way radio, so you know, we can talk, but then the best we can do is switch it over to the receiver and see if anyone broadcasts anything back, which is unlikely, but
Get HBO and
I
Hulu.
mean, it is what it is, I guess.
yeah. So what should I say?
Just like make it sound urgent.
Okay. Hello, how's it going out there? This is, we need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's
What?
Quarry Summer Camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere, and there's these hunters too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us. Which is not good, and a few of our friends are hurt, and we are in desperate need of help. So please, there's vicious
Swarm of bears.
and
A swarm of them.
we don't know what to do. So please, come help us. SOS. This is an emergency. Save our ship. Come on down. Please help us. Did I do good? Was that
Swarm of bears?
Exactly, dude.
Herd of bears.
Really? Is it a
Yeah,
herd?
I've heard of bears. What?
Or a bunch of bears? Swarm.
All right.
It sounds like
I
a
guess I should
prank.
just like switch this over to the receiver and see if
Oh
we
my God.
get anything
Yeah.
back.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out while you do all this techie stuff.
Swarm of bears. SOS.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Oh my God. Oh, he sees you, dude. She sees you. He's whatever it is. It sees you.
Check it.
I got a ping on the radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to
Wait, did he say lodge?
the other house.
I don't know. Hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for. Copy that. Out.
Reassuring?
We can't be sure they were talking about us.
Excuse me.
I don't know. It really, really sounded like they were.
But that's not possible, right?
Anything's possible.
Shit.
They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
Shit.
Hey, let's stay calm, okay? Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah.
That thing out there? I don't know about that, dude. Tell him. Oh shit. Why didn't you tell him?
Why didn't you tell me there was something?
Exactly. That was apologetic.
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
Maybe he figured he'd get full if he ate you and then he'd have a chance. I don't know. Why would he do that? Oh shit,
Ryan?
sorry.
Is it a bear?
Okay, if he
I don't think
it tears into the roof, shoot the hole. Think it end well. I know it, people. I was just shooting just
What
to
is
shoot.
that, Brian?
Did I shoot the light? There wasn't no light on anyways.
Fuck.
What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick.
Oh,
they're coming up the path.
shit.
Oh shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them.
Yeah.
What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide.
Yell out the door. Stay put.
Fuck no. Oh shit. Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Get into a cabin now. Go!
Yeah, get in.
Oh fuck, dude.
Yeah.
They're gone.
Path of Digit. This game is getting good, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me along this
No doubt.
journey. Appreciate each and every one of you. That's for anything we can do. We gotta kill it.
We gotta kill it.
Yeah.
It's not a normal animal, man. I don't
This ain't
think
normal
the gun's
thinking.
gonna Cut it.
Shotgun to the face?
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
I don't know, man. I just don't think it's a good idea to go running out guns blazing against some random ass super animal.
Well, what the hell else can we do?
Yeah, what do you got?
Well, if it's got hearing like a dog, maybe. I mean, we could play a really high pitched feedback loop and crank it to the max, and I mean, it would hurt like hell, but
I don't know how you came up with that, but okay. I've heard of that before.
Okay, fine. Let's do it. Feedback thing.
Worth a shot, I guess.
okay. Come on, Dylan. Let's do this. Come on. It's almost.
Come on, hurry. Let's go.
Everything is right. I did everything right. Oh crap.
What?
I pulled the wire.
Fix it.
We ain't going
I'll
outside.
follow you.
Nope.
Do it now. Go quickly.
Oh, it's inside? Okay. Oh my god.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Fucking spreading! You have to cut it off! Cut it off! Cut it off!
Cut it off? Desperate, terrified, no way. Okay, just hang on.
Shit!
Alright.
Fuck! Okay. Just hang on.
I don't know, guys. The chainsaw? Oh my god. Chainsaw.
Are you sure?
No.
Yes, fucking do it! Fucking do it!
Oh. Oh my god. Did I have to cut higher? Now I cut again?
The wire. Get the wire.
What?
Get the wire.
I can't believe I just did that.
Plug it into the thingy.
Keep pressure on.
Yeah. Give him a hand. Sorry.
What do I do?
The button.
It worked. Whew.
Oh, we blew the speaker.
Okay.
It did the trick. Nice work, Dylan.
Wow. I can't believe I cut his hand off. If he lives, he's gonna sue me.
Oh, fuck, my hand.
Right. Okay. Just hold on.
Why did you do that?
So you wouldn't become bipolar.
Oh, it was a bad idea.
That was. Now that I think about it. Oops. Bill me. Or I'll bill you for the procedure. Wow.
Is it safe?
No. Yes. Okay. It's kind of is. Uncertain. I don't know. Or we're okay now.
I think we're okay for now.
For now.
We ran into one of those hunter guys.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, chased us out of the lodge. I think we lost him on the way up here. You get a message out?
I think so.
Great.
You got blood on your face.
What the hell was going on?
I don't know.
Oh my god!
Hold
Dylan,
it.
what happened?
Yeah. Hold your hand. Your non-hand up.
Oh,
To your left one.
I'm
Hold,
okay.
Hold it above your head. Be above your heart.
I'm not. But it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock.
No, Stumpy.
Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
Yes.
No.
You should have said yes.
Sort of.
Oh shit.
Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
So you gave him the gun? That was my fault, kind of.
Fuck.
Did she shoot at us?
Is
Who's there?
that Laura? So okay, so I think that's Laura.
Who was she?
Should we follow her? Oh shit, Dylan, what is that? Oh my god!
Is that what's her face? She was safe the last I knew. Got look like a bikini. Who is it? I don't want to kill everyone, but I'm gonna. Not on purpose, though. I'm so sorry. Oh. Out of a gun. It looked like bikini, so that was what's her face. Go on that French kiss. Nick. Not good with names.
Oh, you're back.
Got your
So
card too.
That's one less vermin in the world.
Call you the Riddler.
Let's take a look once more.
Mm. The Hermit.
The Hermit.
What I said.
Strange. This card holds no future. There's a past that calls out to me.
You love riddles, don't you? Ugh.
I want to show you more.
Oh, leave your
Would that be
leave your dress
all right?
on. Oh, if it's not meaning like nudity, I don't know what, she's gonna flash me. Girls Gone Wild. Okay, see more. Oh, this thing, future. It's the old guy.
We spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets too.
I'm just glad you kept your shirt on.
Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. I'm your host, Magic. See ya.
Ah, what a web of confusion and dread we've spun tonight. Magic, our intrepid navigator, has brought us through a whirlwind of uncertainty. Jacob's fate remains shrouded in the shadows, his presence yet to be discovered behind that ominous bush. And who is this mysterious young woman with a patch on her eye, leading us on a chase to a ghastly scene? The pool, stained with blood, raises more questions than answers. Could it be Emma? Or has some other dark fate befallen her? The answers lie just beyond our grasp, waiting in the cold, dark night. Rest well, dear viewers, for the dawn brings more terror and revelation. Until next time, stay vigilant and remember, the truth is out there, lurking in the darkness.